Yes, the people. Yeah. From the new headquarters. This is a fisherman's worst nightmare. Yeah. Yeah. That is it. It doesn't get worse than this. Yeah. This is what fishers fear more than anything else. Yeah. A huge squall. Yeah. Yeah. That is packed with a lot of energy. Yeah. That is it, the people. When you're caught in this on the sea, then you are in problem. Every time the lightning flash like that, you see your savior, or you ask for your savior. It doesn't matter who you are or who you think you are, right, and how fierce you be. Yeah, this is one thing fisherman cannot and will never be able to handle. Look at this squall. It is bad. It is massive. This look like a perfect storm. It's a good thing it's a good distance away. Yeah. I estimated that it's about 40 miles from the shore here. I'm thinking that the center of that thunderstorm is about 40 miles from the shore in Old Harbour Bay, being viewed from Pearl Harbor in the new headquarters. Yeah. Right. So where I am, 360. Yeah. That is it. Looking at a fisherman's worst nightmare. And if you take it literally, people, this would be a night stallion, not a mare. This look a lot more wicked or wickeder than a mare. This must be a night stallion to some folks, if anybody is caught in it out there. This time of the year is bad for these type of weather. It's bad for fishing in this type of weather, and they will come upon you suddenly. Yes, sudden burst of energy, thunder and lightning, and it is not for the faint of heart. Yeah, you have to have the willpower to brave it. Even when you're out there and just come to land, you're fearful heading home, much less going out or being caught fishing in a weather like this, people. And that's why it's important to take extra precaution and pay attention to weather announcement and the weather pattern. The weather pattern is even more important than the announcements, because we know as fishers that from the end of August going to the first 2-3 weeks in September, this is the kind of weather we have generally in and around the south coast here, from the east, southeast going down. So that is what we see. Just look at that, the people. I tell you, it is packed with energy. Massive. Why? Listen to that sound. Look at that. Listen for the sound now. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about, people. It's a good thing I am on land. Yeah. I get caught in weather like those years gone by. Yeah, but I learned my lesson. Yeah. And learn it well. Because I have to teach other youngsters coming up. Yeah. It's typical for the time of year. It's not every year it happens like this, but you can look out for it this time of year. It is not a good look, my people. Yeah. When you're out there and those kind of lightning flash, you feel it jerk the vessel. and it like it cut the vessel, right? I feel it shake you up even if you're not in the line of the lightning or in the line of fire. When it cut, my people, you feel it to your heart. Yes, no matter how strong you are, courage cannot help you that time. You only can put certain things that you learn in play. Like if you are traveling and you can't see where you're going, you drop your anchor. Yes, those are some of the things that you can do. You drop your anchor and stay put, right? But instinct will tell you to head for land or the nearest key. But if you can't see anywhere, drop your anchor. Yes. So my people, they're just giving you a peek of what fishers have to face from time to time. Yeah, it's not a good look. So whenever you can buy the fish, you buy it. Sometimes it look a little expensive, but certain time of year it is not too expensive because the risk that it goes with it. Yes, especially if it's not good catch season. Yes, you know it's gonna be a lot more expensive. So my people, I'm just giving you a peek, as I say, of what fishers have to go through. So the people, keep them in your prayers. Yes, and I hope them heed certain warning and certain rules and regulation. Yes, because out there it's not pretty, it is not easy, but you can manage. You will never be able to overcome certain things and certain weather, because one fisherman famous line is that when the sea is privating, you leave him alone. And that's how it goes tonight. When the weather is privating, you leave the weather alone, stay put. Yeah, so that is it, the people. Until another one, and walk good and bless upon yourself, just like that.